Hi viewers, how are you? This is the new smart lock. Now we are going to fix this one in the door. First of all, you fix your mechanism in the door. Then we will fix our handle, and this is the complete procedure how to fix your door smart lock with the in the door. First of all, you fix this mechanism like this. There is also the rubbers that make it waterproof. So you fix this rubber on the handle, and where you want to fix the spindle, this if your handle is on the right side, then you can fix this dot on the upside. If it is on the left side, then you rotate this one and make it on the downside. Okay. These are the fixings. That one you have to fix on the handle like this. This is the spindle you fix here and put it in the door. Same like this one. Okay. Now you take the other side. This one also there is the rubber. You will put on the handle like this. So first of all, you fix this wire to the other wire for connecting both handles with each other, giving the power. And also see, and on this side this is one rod. You will fix it properly inside the door here. Like this to make it connectivity. Make it straight and put it inside. Now you put this one completely and fix these screws from the back side. One here, and other screw here the downside.
आधे उसमें डाल।
Yes. This one 5 grams.
मैं ये खा लेता हूँ शाम वो तुम्हारे लिए रखता हूँ थोड़ा
Door stopper and 25 cabinet handle. Send me location. Once a day I will send it link tomorrow morning you receive.
तेरा काम रखना मैंने चाहिए काम रखना
Now we are checking this one. See, this one is not working. From inside it will work. Okay, you just check with also by putting the batteries. Now see, it's not working. After it will work. Okay, now done.